The goal is to, work on it every day to make it not normal to be corrupt. To make it not normal. Dapat maging, imbis na normal, maging nakakadiri yung maging corrupt. We've tolerated it for so long, for too long. And Pasig is just one example, but we can do this. Right now, the great thing about all of these, I'm not going to say the scandal is great, but the good thing that's coming out of all of this talk, all of this, is that people are becoming more aware. Nakikita na natin gaano ba kalala itong problema natin. And, people who might have not even watched the news just 6 months ago, now they're active, they're posting on social media, they're going to rallies, they're asking how they can volunteer. So we have to capitalize on the situation. The local government is trying to, get volunteers. We're doing citizen monitoring of public works, infrastructure projects. We're also trying to work with the mayors for good governance and seeing how people can come in and volunteer, whether it's through monitoring. There's something that each and every one of us can do. Obviously, in your work, when you work with local governments or even national government agencies, how we expect them to behave, how we treat them, everything. There's so many things we can do to try to shift the culture, even just in our own little way. Even in our own little way. And maybe, if all of us do this, before we know it, baka nagbago na ang Pilipinas. Walang maliit dito. Basta nag-aambag tayo. Walang maliit-maliit. It doesn't matter how small our contribution is as long as we're working to pushing it in the right direction.